Hey everyone, today I wanted to address a very common question or concern that I think most patients have, and it may be a reason why most people don't come in and see a chiropractor, and that is, what is that noise and what does that noise mean? So what is that noise that you're hearing when you watch a video of somebody getting adjusted, or you're the patient and you're getting adjusted and you hear that loud popping noise? What is that noise? Very simply put, when there's a problem with the joint, pressure is going to build up and nitrogen gas actually gets stored and builds up in the synovium of the joint. Now when a chiropractor goes in there and adjusts that joint and gets it moving again, what it does is it releases that nitrogen gas from the joint and it dissipates out and it makes a noise, a popping noise. It's no different than if you cracked your knuckles or did anything along that range. If you moved your ankle and it made a cracking noise, you're just releasing that nitrogen gas from the joint. Now sometimes it may scare or worry people because it's a neck adjustment and it's a scary angle or it's closer to the ear, but nothing's being done to the joint, nothing's being done to the bone. It's perfectly safe. It's just a little scary at first because it's loud, but all that is that gas release in the joint. So I hope this got some people over the hump. I hope maybe you went from fear to curiosity and maybe checking out a chiropractor, because we are very effective at getting rid of neuromusculoskeletal pain. Please, 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 at the very least, share this video with anyone you may know, because I'm here to spread the word about chiropractic and how effective we are, and I hope this was of some value to the people today, and I hope maybe it got you over the how scary the sound might be, because I know that's a hurdle for a lot of people. If you would like to work with me, please give us a call at 630-206-9002. Otherwise, visit myfundamentalhealth.com to learn more or set up a visit that way. Thanks and have a great day.